I have a Kohler canister-style flush valve that leaks. I have replaced the seal and it still leaks. Now what do I do?
Welcome, my name is I will do my best to help with your issue. If it still leaks after you replace the seal at the bottom of the canister, then there may be a defect in the canister itself. The bottom of the canister should be perfectly smooth and there shouldn't be any cracks. I'm assuming the water level in the tank is below the top of the canister.
Yes, the water level is below the top of the canister. The canister does not appear to have any obvious defects. If I cannot tell visually or by feel that it has a defect, what do I do?
If you still have a leak and there are no obvious defects, the ring seal lays flat as well, then you would replace the flush valve components one at a time. The canister is easy. If that doesn't work, then you'll have to replace the flush valve base, the fitting in the bottom of the tank. The last option is a lot more time consuming. Also, be sure no water is dripping out of the refill tube, from the fill valve, that's inserted into the middle of the canister assembly.
Do you know if I can purchase component pieces separately? If I can't, is there another tank valve assembly that you would recommend? This seems to be a poor design by Kohler. This toilet is less than 2 years old. For me, and many others based on my internet search, to have this kind of problem really speaks poorly of a company the size and reputation of Kohler.
This flush valve is the only one that will work with your toilet. If you go to a plumbing supply house that sells Kohler, you should be able to get the parts. You'll probably be better off just getting the whole flush valve, since buying the parts separately will cost more. The whole flush valve should be about the same cost as just the canister. I was never a fan of this config, but I don't have any influence upon what Kohler does.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.